Today we're going to do a short channel update on the PowerBasic for Beginners YouTube channel. On each of the videos I upload to YouTube, there are two important links in the description. The first link is a link to the GSF software website. This takes you onto the GSF software website, on which there is a list of all the videos I've actually posted recently. In addition to the recently added videos, there's a tab for each of these sections. One for the console compiler, one for the Windows, one for videos which apply to both, one for the custom PC hardware channel, and one for the third-party add-ons, and one for the Windows and console compiler third-party add-ons. For each video listed, there is a link to the YouTube channel itself. In addition, for the PowerBasic videos, there are two additional URLs. One to allow you to download a zip file containing the source code for that particular video, which if you click on that, it will download the zip file to your download folder, which you can then open quite happily and have a look at the code. Both the code folder itself and the libraries. In addition to that, there is also a GitHub link, which, should we click on that, it will take you straight onto GitHub to show you the same two folders, where you can look at the files individually. If you go back to Tutorials, you will find there is a large green code button. Clicking that gives you the option for downloading all the source files in one zip. This allows you to keep up to date with all the software I'm putting onto GitHub. Each of the videos will always have two folders, a code folder and a libraries folder. Each of the videos has its own libraries folder. This is to ensure that the code for the libraries is pertinent to that particular video. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.